What's up guys, my name is TBone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Gorilla Tag mod menu using iStupid's mod template. First of all, go to the iStupid mods Discord, go ahead to the menu template section, download these .zip. Then you're going to have this .zip folder. It's compressed, so right click on it, click extract all, and extract. Then be patient and wait for it to copy. Now once it's done extracting, you should have this folder. Go ahead and open it twice, and you should have this SLN. Now it will not show up anything like this unless you already have Visual Studio installed. If you do have Visual Studio installed, please skip to this timestamp. If you don't, please follow the above tutorial. Go ahead to the whatever link in the description and it should bring you to the Visual Studio download page. Now this is Visual Studio 2022 community and I use this because it's the best version to date, in my opinion. Go ahead, click the free download button. Eventually you're going to get a page that looks like this once it's done installing, and if you don't, just go ahead, click your Windows key and search for Visual Studio Installer. Click Modify, make sure you install .NET Development, Universal Window Platform Development, and I just have this installed because I used Unity. Then go ahead and click your install button. Finally, you should be able to go back to that folder and double click the SLN file. It's going to now open up your Visual Studio. If you don't see all these files on the side, that means you followed one of the steps incorrectly and you didn't install one of our directories. Now go ahead to the directory.build.props. There's going to be a section that says game path. Now you're going to have to change this to your Gorilla Tag game path, otherwise this will not work. Your Gorilla Tag path would be the path where your exe is located, so in my case it would be this. Most people's it would either be Steam, but I'm using Oculus because I'm banned on Steam. Go ahead and paste it into this area, make sure there's nothing except that. Once this is done, make sure to click Control S to save, and if you don't save, this won't work, so make sure to click save on every single thing we do. Next, go to plugininfo.cs, and this is where we're going to change our name and stuff. So you go ahead and change the IIDK section to your name, so I'm just going to name it TBone. Menu template, make sure to change that, so I'm going to name it to TBone template. If you don't change these two things, it will not work. Now, we're going to change the name of the template. This will actually show up on the template, so do be aware of that. I'm going to change it to TBone's test template. Next, change the description, which I'm not sure if it even shows up, but I'm just going to change it to TBone is cool. And then version, you're going to change it every time you update it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and then 1, and then yeah, whatever. Make sure to click Control S. Next, we're actually going to make the mods that show up in the menu. So open menu and mods folder, go to buttons.cs. Now, I'm aware that all your pesky small monkey brains cannot understand how to copy paste, but go ahead to the copy paste during the description, and it's going to bring you to this. Now, this is a toggleable mod, and this basically means you're going to hit it once, it's on, hit it again, it's off. Toggleable false means that if you hit it once, it's going to perform one action. That could be like change your name off leaderboard and all that jazz. Go ahead and change the name to the name of the mod, so I'm going to make it Speed Boost. Go ahead and change your description to the description of the mod or how to use it, so I'm going to do enables a slight speed boost when active. Make sure to click Control S again. Now to make the actual mod, right click on mods, click add new item, and then we're going to name this what your mod is. So mine's Speed Boost. Click add. Now we're going to have this. Now go ahead to the first curly bracket, click enter, and paste the mod that you want to use in. Now I'm going to change the public static void to something like Speed Boost mod to get rid of our little error. Make sure this is not the same as this. Then go ahead to your button.cs and go to namespace and change this to the name of your file, so Speed Boost, and then change .mod to what we set it to, so Speed Boost mod. Don't forget to click Control S once again. Now that this is done, that mod should fully work in your mod menu. You can do this for whatever mods you want to use. And if you did want it to make a toggleable mod, go ahead after the comma, type is toggleable, and then obviously equals false, comma. I'm gonna go ahead, put curly brackets around it as toggleable, delete that, add comma, space, delete that. And that's it. You got a toggleable mod now. Once you're done with the menu and you're happy with it, go ahead and click Control-Shift-B or build solution, and it's going to start doing this funny thing down here. It should say build completed, and if it doesn't complete, that means you have an error, and that means you have squiggles somewhere. Most likely it's in your mod. Go ahead, join the Discord, we can help you out. After that's done, it should automatically be put in your Gorilla Tag folder, and it should be named Stupid Template. And that's basically it. Make sure not to mess with like settings or anything like that, because those are included with the mod menu, and as you can see, you got different settings for things and menu settings. It comes with, I think, a few menu themes, so. And that's basically it. You guys can find mods in iStupid's mod Discord. they have a post mods channel where you can get a ton of different mods. We cannot guarantee they work or are undetected, but they definitely do have a ton of mods in here. I hope you guys actually learned something from this video and use this mod menu responsibly. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.